Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Wizardry headphones to PS5. First, plug the USB dongle that comes with the headset into your PS5. Next, turn on your Wizardry headphones and switch them to 2.4 GHz mode. On most models, you can do this by holding the mic or mode button until the indicator light changes. Now, on your PS5, go to Settings, then Sound, and select Audio Output. Choose your Wizardry headset as both the input and output device. Once selected, your audio should work right away. Keep in mind, Bluetooth is not supported for PS5 audio. So, always use the USB dongle. And that's it. Your Wizardry headphones are now connected to your PS5. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.